Present-day rally cars are the very definition of cutting edge, with massive amounts of time and resources being poured into their design and production. This is made possible by elite teams of engineers that modify and tune these vehicles for peak performance. To control these incredible feats of engineering, you will need the skills, reactions and sharpness of mind to harmonise with them. Only the finest drivers get a chance to compete behind the wheel, but to win at this level is reserved for the very best.
Starts 50, 6 left over crest into 6 right over crest, extra long, 30. Good luck. Six left over crest. Into cut, 3 right long, opens 6 over crest, 30. 6 left over crest long. And crest. 4 left over crest. Into cut, 4 right long. Into 4 left long over crests, 100. Cut, 4 left over crest long. 5 right of a bump at sign, cut 4 left, into 5 right long, four left long, tightens don't cut, opens over crest, into 6 left over crests, 50. 6 right and 3 left long, into 4 right of a crest, tightens turn 2. Into turn 1 right, around Bales. Right, 4 left long. Opens of a crest 30, turn late, hairpin left. Very long, tightens turn, hairpin right. In. To right, 100, 6 left, 120. Into 6 left, extra long. Into 6 right, extra long. Rid of 50. Opens through narrow gate, 30, turn 1 left, opens through narrow gate, 120. And 5 right, into 6 left, don't cut. Opens, into 6 right, 70. Left, very long, tightens 4.